Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook egg like Jollibee full guide, updated. Start by cracking eggs into a bowl, whisk briskly with a splash of milk, and season lightly. Heat a non-stick pan to medium-low and add butter for gentle browning. Pour and fold slowly to create soft curds, then remove just before full set so residual heat finishes cooking for tender, glossy eggs you will love. Gather a non-stick pan, silicone spatula, and a small bowl for whisking to prepare efficiently. Warm the pan first, then lower heat to maintain steady, gentle cooking that prevents rubbery eggs. Whisk eggs until smooth but not frothy, add a small splash of milk for creaminess, and season. Keep your spatula close to fold the eggs in repeating motions for silky curds and a glossy finish every time. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future recipes. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof containers mentioned earlier to make meal prep easy and prevent messy morning spills. They stack well and keep eggs fresh. I love how they save time and fridge space, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Heat the pan on medium-low and melt butter until it foams gently without browning to preserve flavor. Pour whisked eggs into the center and let them set briefly. Then fold inward with a spatula every 20 to 30 seconds for even, soft curds. When the eggs still look a touch wet, take the pan off heat to let carryover cooking finish them to tender perfection. Then serve immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.